Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, nakikita niyo sa title kung anong gagawin ko ngayon, which is what inside my phone. So, it's so basic lang naman kung ano na sa loob ng phone ko, just casual things na ginagawa ko sa phone. So, where will we start? So it's already 3:36 p.m. Wednesday, July 22. It's my birthday, guys. So if my wallpaper is Kim Taeyong with Tommy. Ayan, yun yung pinost niya sa Weverse. Yeah. Yun yung pinost niya sa Weverse. So, ang cute nga kasi Taeyong is my bias. So funny. So where's that? So you can see all my photos there. It says Bangtan Sonyeondan. So I have 4 folders. And then let's start first at Bang. As you can see sa Bang, there's all my shopping and random things. Hindi ko siya naayos, guys. I'm so sorry. So here's the Shopee, Lazada, Weaver shops where I can buy all my stuff for BTS merch. And then my notes. My note is encryption pattern because it's my privacy. So there, and my calculator, calendar, photos where I can back up all the photos of my BTS. Play music, security center. So there. Settings is a touch in chat where I can edit my videos. Then compass, my fonts. So let's move on to 10. Bangtan. So let's go to. So ito yung madalas talaga binubuksan ko folder kasi dito talaga lahat ng apps na ginagamit ko. As in lahat ng chan. So start tayo sa files. Lahat ng files ko, Chrome, Google, browser, Gmail, which important, YouTube. Especially so important. VLive, since may issue ngayon ng VLive, hindi pa ako nakakapag-uninstall niyan because pinag-iisipan ko pa siya whether ba kami mag-live dyan. Messenger, which is I always usually use it. Then may Shadow app. And guys, please vote BTS on Shadow app. So yan, I always vote there sa Shadow app. Then Instagram for my fan account, Facebook for my fan account, Twitter for my fan account, especially Weverse, Snapchat. Yeah, that's my Snappy. That's my personal account. So yan lang yung pinaka main account ko, I guess. Then Play Store, Share It, Duolingo. Well, pag may extra time ako, nagdo-Duolingo ako just to learn Korean. That's it. So ngayon, hindi na ako nakakapag-Duolingo because nagiging busy na ako. Yeah, there my course there is Korean course. Yeah. Oh no. There, welcome back. See? There. So I'm here na. So yeah, hindi na nakakapag-Duolingo and it's so sad. Then phone, may messages. Yan. 99 plus yung notif dyan kasi hindi ako madalas magtingin ng mga messages kasi wala naman ako sa akin important. Okay? Na message. So Spotify, you can stream all their music. Also guys, please don't forget to stream their music. VIU, which I can watch the Korean dramas. Pero I was thinking na mag-download na lang ng Netflix kasi kaka-uninstall ko ng Netflix kasi nagiging busy na ako doon sa panonood. So I need to focus. So in-install ko siya, but this time parang gusto ko na ulit manood. Yeah. Then Opera Mini for another browser things. Okay, we're done at 10. And let's go to Son. Itong mga folder na ito, hindi ko siya masyado nagagamit. So, Song, which is the music. Hindi na ako, guys, madalas maggamit ng music kasi mo ang Spotify na ako. SoundCloud. Yeah, SoundCloud is so important. Which is just in-upload the JK yung still reaching us. So, yan talaga. Then photos. Then later on, I will show you all my photos there. But I will blur some important or my face. Then settings, video, weather, because I always check the weather guys because it's so hot here in the Philippines, you know that. So gusto ko malaman ano ba yung temperature or weather natin ngayon kasi sobrang init, diba? Then contacts, camera, hangouts, where nilimit ko lang siyang gamitin actually. Kika keyboard, which is my application for my keyboard. And this one is the Tom Gold Rod. It's a talking Tom. Tom Gold. It's just for my niece. She loves playing it. Backup and store, game center, play game, hot ops. Hot ops just I don't know what's inside there, but I didn't look at that pa. So maybe later. Boo Boo. Another game. Hot games. App market. Play movies and TV. I don't know if I can watch there. I didn't try it pa naman. Then block puzzle when I can't sleep. So let's move on to Yondan. So Bangtan, Sonyeondan. Let's go to Yondan. Where I am Webster. I usually use that. Kasi yung mga new words, mga unfamiliar words. It's a search toolkit, clock, SIM toolkit, WPSLPs, of course, I really need that. Email, sound recorded, I think, minsan lang ako sound recorded. Kasi, I'm not that good. Maps, Drive. Sa Google Drive, mahirap ako mag-backup dyan na. Tapos ng DVS. I don't know why. Ang tagal niya. FM radio, Kika keyboard, voice search, Team Store, weather, video talaga, OS 11. So there, that's my folders, Bangtan, Sonyeondan. And then let's go to the forest. There's a lot of photos there that I capture. I will burn that. Then let's go to the Bangtan, Sonyeondan folder, which almost 5,000 pictures kasi yung iba na backup ko na, so baka nga nasa 3,000 na yan. So ayan, ang dami, grabe diba? Ang dami. Halos lahat sinasave ko. Halos lahat. Ano na yun? They're so great. Save ko actually. Yes, ang miss ko yun. There. So maybe that's it. Thank you for watching Kenny Vlog. And soon I will upload vlogs, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Please, I hope you give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and promote my channel to your American armies. Then next time I will upload my ideas how to decorate your light stick, I guess. So that's it. Thank you for your support. I love you all.